Monarchs! In this week's video, I got a new Polygel kit that I found on Amazon, which I'll be leaving the link down below, of course. We got here 6 tubes of Polygel, and the colors are white and brown. We got jade pink and jade color, and the last two were actually both transparent. I was kind of confused because the other ones were upside down, but these were upward, if that makes sense. Anyways, I also got a file, primer bond. We of course got our top and base coat. We have our beautiful dual forms. We also got a primer, a amazing and very sturdy cuticle pusher, also a double-sided brush. We also got a buffer. I had to also get this bundle. It had all the goodies for design and decorating your nails. I got 12 nail art foils. I got some beautiful, colorful rhinestones. I got 4 packets of nail art stickers. More beautiful rhinestones. We can never have enough. Look at how amazing. I've never had nail art brushes before and I always wanted them, and this kit came with so many that I'm literally obsessed. Now, I'm not really an artist, but I can try my best. In total, we got 15 nail art brushes. We also got this beautiful duster. And these are by far my best memory of when I first started nail art. These were the most basic, not basic, these were like the beginner tools. I got 5 double-ended dotting tools, which is perfect for clouds, flowers, you name it. They're amazing. I also received 10 rolls of metallic stripping tape. I got this purple pinkish color. I got a green one. I got this royal blue. This dark purple. I love the white. We got this golden color, like more rose gold color than gold. We got a light blue one. Red, of course. silver, and lastly gold. Now to get started with the actual nails, I'm just going to file my nails down. That looks good. I'm using the primer it came with, applying the primer to all my fingers. Now for our base coat. Applying that to all my fingers and curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. I'm going to be using the brown color, or of which I thought it was. LOL. Just wait and see. Since this kit didn't come with any slip solution, I'm using the Moravan slip solution. I'm also using the brush as a guide so the slip solution doesn't go everywhere. It looks cloudy because I did a mistake one time and I needed more slip solution for another nail set, and I just dipped my brush in the bottle so the slip solution became dirty. But let's go ahead and get started. Like always, I apply a thin coat of slip solution onto the dual forms. These dual forms didn't come with any guided lines, but overall the form of the duals was very amazing and the sizing for your nail was very easy to find. Little by little you can add more polygel if needed, and of course same thing with the slip solution. When forming, make sure you get all the edges and try to do an even layer all around. When ready, place on nail and cure that for 120 seconds. Also, don't forget to flip your nail and cure the bottom as well. To remove, just twist left and right and you got your first nail done. Like always, as easy as filing down the edges, and look how easy and simple polygel is. That's why I love it so much. So I'm continuing on with the rest of my nails. My middle finger was having issues when removing the dual form. When that happens, just be very gentle to not hurt your natural nail and or your polygel nail. I used the cuticle pusher. That, as what you just saw, was a mistake because honestly I was harming the polygel nail. So what I did is I kind of went to the side and I kind of picked a corner, and from there I lifted the dual form. Off camera, I just filed and buffed out my nails. Don't forget to always dust off any residue you have from filing down. Using top coat on all nails, curing that for 120 seconds or of course until dry. I'm going to be using some butterflies and flowers and leaves to my ring finger. These stickers were so easy to remove and apply, and they made a huge difference on my nails. I'm going to be applying one rhinestone on each of my other nails. I applied a thin coat of top coat so that it can act as glue onto the area I want the rhinestones to be at. Curing them for 120 seconds or until dry. These are the nails. We can't forget our cuticle oil, of course. here are the final results. And the quick question of the week is, are these purple or brown? The package said brown, but they honestly look purple. Please comment down below what you guys think. Anywho, love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe and see y'all next week. Bye!